Everybody, this is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to create a free shipping template in Shopify for weight-based items. And typically what you would do this if it's for lighter things are free, heavier things you have to pay for the shipping. So go to your Shopify store, click on settings, and then click on shipping and delivery. Yes, this is confusing. Click on manage first, and then scroll down and select add rate. And you can see I already have free shipping for $50 and up. What I want to do is add it for items that are under a certain weight. So it already shows these items, economy, free, that's great. You have to click add conditions, and it says based on item weight. Minimum weight, 0 ounces, maximum weight. I'm going to set it to 13 ounces. And the reason is because in the US, according to the US Postal Service, if it's under a certain weight, it qualifies for first class shipping, whereas if it's over a certain weight, it costs, you have to get priority mail, and it's more expensive. So I'm going to do it between 0 and 13 ounces. You could also change it even more if you wanted to. You could do a maximum of 8 ounces because that's an even lower cost weight. But anyways, that's how you do it. Click done. Make sure you click save up here, and then that rate will be saved. And when people are shopping and they order something that's very lightweight, if it's under 8 ounces, they will see the free shipping option. By the way, this includes the weight of the packaging as well, because that is included in your Shopify setup. For instance, I can't see it right now, but anyways, that's part of it as well. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow my channel. Also, if you go to leanmedia.org, click on video, you'll see many more of my playlists and a free masterclass for Amazon that may interest you. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.